Three, two, one.
Yeah, pero... Yeah. Pull! Oh! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Hi, mabuhay! My name is MJ Albas, Grade 10 Integrity, and this is my video presentation about assemble and disassemble the system unit. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye! Have you ever heard the system unit, or do you know system unit? If you don't know, this is the video that you're waiting for, and this is the parts that we need and step that we need to evaluate the step by step to assemble and disassemble the system unit. Thank you. System unit. A system unit, also known as a computer case, is the enclosure that contains most of the hardware of a personal computer. The component housed inside the case, such as the CPU, motherboard, memory, mass storage, devices, power supply unit, and various expansion cards, are referred as the internal hardware, while hardware outside the case, typically cable link or plug and play case, such as the display, speakers, keyboard, mouse, and USB flash drives, are also known as a peripherals. Disassemble the system unit. Step 1. Before you disassembling the system unit, make sure the system unit is turned off. Step 2. Disconnect and remove all the cables connected to all components inside the system unit. Step 3. Remove the ODD or CD-ROM. Step 4. Remove the HDD and tighten the screws mounted to the case, then carefully remove the HDD. Step 5. Remove the motherboard, untighten the screws mounted to the case, then carefully remove the motherboard. Step 6. Unmount and unplug all the parts along the motherboard, including CPU, CPU's heatsink fan RAM, and video card. If you has anti-static wrist strap, wear anti-static wrist strap or discharge yourself by holding any metal object for 5 minutes. And also, connect anti-static wrist strap to the chassis. If you disassembling the system unit, remove the screw of the side cover of system case. And also, unplug or remove all cables connected to the system unit. And last step, remove the PSU or power supply unit. Assemble the system unit. Step 1. In assembling the system unit, mount all the parts along the motherboard including CPU, CPU's heat sink fan, RAM, and video card. Step 2. Install the PSU. Step 3. Install the motherboard, tighten the screws mounted to the case. Install the ODD or co-ROM. Carefully install the HDD, tighten the screws mounted to the case. Step 6. Connect all the cables to all components inside the system unit. If you're done assembling the system unit, put the side cover back and tighten the screws. If you all done, connect all the cables to the system unit. If you are done, test the system unit if it's working well. As you can see, some of people that here in my video is not me, but they are the people that give me hope for this video. Parts of the system unit. CPU. The CPU, or the Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer and one of the most important chips in the computer. Heatsink and CPU fan stand for heatsink and fan. Nearly all computers have heatsinks, which help keep the CPU cool and prevent it from overheating. RAM, Random Access Memory, is a piece of hardware that allows stored data to be accessed randomly. Its main function is to store the data temporarily. Video card. Video card is commonly known as graphic accelerator card. This is a hardware component whose main function is to generate and display the output image to the computer monitor. Motherboard. A motherboard connects and transmits signal to and from peripherals like your keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The same can be said for your components such as your CPU, GPU, RAM, and the others. PSU. A power supply unit, or PSU, convert main AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal components of a computer. HDD, or hardware disk drive, is also known as hard drive. This is the computer main storage device used to store all data on the computer permanently. ODD, or CD-ROM. CD-ROM is a device that uses photodiodes to detect reflecting lights on optic disc and uses a laser to read or write data. IDE, or SATA connector, storage device connector. IDE is used to hook up disk drives, floppy disks, and HDDs. This is the 40-pin male connector that connects the HDD. SATA. Now, the SATA connector, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, is the standard connector with a 7-pin interface. Not the least, cases. The computer case serves mainly as a way to physically mount and contain all of the actual components inside of a computer, like the motherboard, hard drive, optical drive, floppy disk drive, etc.
I got nothing to